Well, hey everybody, I am here at the Terra Resort here at Universal Studios Orlando, and y'all, this place is absolutely, the reflective tiles are just fabulous. Let's look at it. Look, isn't that beautiful? Wow. And as I understand it now, the sister hotel, the Stella Nova, it has a black entrance, whereas this has a white entrance. But I think this one here, y'all, if I'm not mistaken, it's a little more earthy. The reflected tiles are a little more earthy because they represent the earth and the moon. This one does, whereas the Stella Nova over there represents more the space and stars. Now, as I understand, there's no walkway between these two sister hotels. I think there is a walkway, though, from the Stella Nova to Epic Universe, but not one from the Terra Luna. So, but look, let's walk in. Let's go see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, look at this. This is where everybody's checking in. And there's also a place that you can drop off your luggage. So like if you get here early and it's not time for check-in, you can leave your luggage right there and still go on into the parks. So, or, you know, if you're checking out and you're going to still be here a little longer, then they'll hold on to your luggage until you get ready to pick it up. Let's walk into the Universal Studios store. Oh, guess what? I think this is where I'm going to be getting my shirt. Look at all the merch. Man, look at all the Super Mario merchandise they have in here, y'all. They've got a little bit of everything in here. Yep, I do believe I'll be getting my shirt here. How to Train Your Dragon, Aliberg. I think this little guy right here, I think his name is Toothless. Look at him. Bad to the bone. That looks like a popcorn bucket. I'm almost positive it is. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter Ministry of Music. Minister of Magic. Golly. Terry, get it right. But yeah, I think I'll be buying my t-shirt here. I wanted a navy blue one, but it looks like it's gonna be this one right here. After I do the tour, I'm gonna come back and buy this. This is called the Luna Bar. And y'all, they are scrubbing down and wiping down and doing such a good job. So there's plenty of beer on tap, wines, and liquors I can see over there. So there's plenty of comfortable seating, I might add. If you just want to hang out in the lobby and have yourself a drink, this is nice. There's also a vacation planner over there. Omega Cafe is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. They're just waving. Okay, and then here's the market. So grab and go stuff. There's some water. Hamburgers. Oh, what is that, man? It's bagels. Yeah, bagels. There's some sandwiches, some salads. Cookies. Oh no, those look good. Okay, the refillable mug souvenir is $19. If you can buy it for $19 for 1 to 3 days. $25 from 4 to 7 days, and 8 days plus is $30. But they were refillable every day for that price. They've got ice cream here. Here are all of the prices, coffees. Also, they do have cereals here too, if you so choose to eat cereal in the morning. There's nuts and potato chips and all sorts of chocolate. Okay, those are the elevators that will take you up to your room. Oh, and there's a fitness and a game room, a fitness room and a game room down that way. Let's go out here and look at the pool. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the gym real quick and just see. Oh, I can't get in. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, I can't get into the fitness center because I don't have a card to get access. But the cool thing about this is I mean, there are windows that you can look out when you're exercising, and you can look out at the pool. It's really, really cool. They also have a water bottle filler in there. And a water fountain for those. So that's about the best I can do. I do see a women's locker room, and I'm sure there's a men's locker room as well. But it smells nice in here. It smells brand new. There's a conference center right there. But this is really nice, y'all. So, all right, this is the recreation area, game room.
What do I want?
Ooh, listen to that. There's some Mario games. Terra Arcade. Yeah, there's another. What do you call that? Oh, E-Claw. Yeah. Okay, well, they have this. This is to keep the kiddos busy.
Go!
And what is this? This is a Jurassic Park arcade. Ooh, this looks like it'd be a lot of fun.
Gimme, bro.
Let's see, welcome. Buy, analyze, recharge here. Oh, okay. Purchase and recharge game cards. That's interesting. Here's the restrooms. Everything is so clean. There's an ATM right here. And here's a water bottle filler, and I'm fixing to fill mine up right now. Oh, look at here. There's a fire here at nighttime if you so choose. So on those cold nights, you can sit around and enjoy the fire. That's nice. That's a nice atmosphere, you know what I'm saying? Nice. Okay, this is the pool. Check it out. Here's a complete, there's the rolls right there. But here's the pool. Look at all the look at all the chairs. Wow. And over there, they've got life jackets for the little ones. So something I wanted to mention that's worth mentioning. This pool is 4 foot deep, and it has those ocean ears installed, those underwater speakers, so that whenever you're underneath the water, you can hear the music playing, just like at Hard Rock Hotel. Isn't that cool? So also, there's a hot tub something's wrong with my camera. Also, there's a hot tub over there, if you so choose. Let's see. There are a lot of umbrellas if you need to get out of the sun. I did notice that. So, palm trees. I guess they're so newly planted it's going to take them a minute, but I don't see where they would offer a whole lot of shade. Oh, okay. They do provide fresh towels, and then you just put your towel back in this bin when you're through with it. Now, I think that the Terra pool is bigger than the Stella Nova. I think I understood that right. There's also a hot tub over there. Let's see. This is really beautiful, y'all. Look at the building, the resort. It's beautiful. Also, y'all, I wanted to give you the pool hours, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And the pool is only reserved to registered guests. Let's go over here and see. I didn't get the menu a while ago over here at the cafes, but let's go check the menu out. Yeah, they do have walk-up service at the Moonrise Bar. And all sorts of mixed drinks that you can have. Also, it looks like there's some frozen drinks over there too. Yeah. Also, here's the Moonrise Grill if you so choose to get something to eat here from the pool. Looks like you can pick up order or place order. Okay, this is the Moonrise Grill. You can order and pick up here. Sit out here and have yourself a drink. And there's also some bathrooms over there. This is nice, y'all. They've got fans and everything blowing. Sit up under here and get cooled off. Yeah, this is nice. So something else I did want to mention is that both the Terra Luna and the Stella Nova, they both have the 750 rooms per resort. And I thought that was worth mentioning. Also, at the pool, they do have some pool games. They have like a Connect Four, and then they also, I think, have a bean toss game out there. So I didn't get to see it, but it is there at the pool. So I did want to mention that, so that if you come and you want to play some Connect Four, there's a huge Connect Four over there that you can play. Okay, y'all, this right here is where you can get your resort shuttle, or you can get a ride app pickup from right here. Yep, so this has been a good little tour. My friend Jill and I are going to be back here in October, and I want to be able to look at this resort, and I'm going to go look at Stella Nova and do a video on that and just see what the differences are. I know a few differences already, but that will give me a chance to scope out both of those and decide which would be better suited for us in our stay. This is going to be it for this video. I enjoyed being with y'all, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you would, like and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Thank you.